What's up, Silky Smooth Gang? Back at you guys with another video. Hey man, I wasn't gonna even really record, but I want to show y'all this product because I just barely put the compound on there, and I've tried this on this part before. I just barely put the compound on there, and it's already making a big difference. Y'all can see like it's dull right there, but look. You can't rub it with your hands. If you want to work, go put on some rubber gloves, man. So anyways, wipe down your whole panel, guys, with like window cleaner or something. Get it real clean, or like a clay bar if you have to. And then this is how it came out with no machine. And then they give you these little towels. I didn't use the towels. What I did, I rolled up a microfiber towel, and then I just see on that edge right there, and then I just rubbed it in real good. So I'm gonna do that on the other side too. I just want to do a test panel, and also tape up your areas that you don't want to get the stuff on, because they didn't even show you that part. Well, they don't tell you that part in the instructions. So alright guys, let me get everything ready to go. We'll see y'all right after this intro. Peace.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
Alright guys, so I waited about an hour just to make sure it looked good, and it's still looking pretty good, about the same. So we're gonna go ahead and add this first. This is the clarifying compound. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab this microfiber, and we just gonna, that other side I did it with about, I think that was enough. And we just gonna try it on one part all the way, the whole process. So they don't tell you this, but this is how I'm gonna do it. Just kind of, cause this is how we cut and buff cars. So I'm gonna spread it out a little bit like that, and then we'll work it in. And we'll meet that line right there. Work it in real good. I could have put like a little mini machine on it, but I want to show y'all how to do it at home if you don't have anything. And hopefully this works good. I've tried 3M polish on this thing and all kinds of stuff, and nothing really worked. But the way they got this stuff set up, I think it'll probably work. So we're gonna try it. See how that kind of cleared up. See these lines right here? Let's see if that clears up. See how that clears up? Let me clear that up right there. My towel kind of messing up. See, we'll clear that area up. Anywhere that doesn't look consistent, we'll clear it up. See how that, yeah, it's working. Clear that up right there. And then we gotta blend that middle. I think that's pretty good. That's crazy. I mean, it looks way better already. I think that side looks better than this side. Maybe I should have flipped the towel over, because you're supposed to keep going until like the white substance is gone. This side did come out better. So let's flip. Hold on. Let's roll this towel the other way. And then they give you these little towels. I think I told y'all, but I ain't gonna use that. I really use this. So let's put a little bit more Maybe we need a little more. Alright. Now we just gonna dab it. Just like that. So it says rub the spot for 30 seconds. So we gonna I think we've been rubbing it longer than that. So I really want to get that compound in there. I think we might get a better result with a machine, but I want y'all to be able to do this at home too. So then we'll wipe the excess off. I'm still super tired. If y'all watched the other video, I had a good crazy time dealing with the convertible Buick LeSabre. So haven't even went to sleep yet. I was up a whole freaking day. Super tired, guys. But the grind does not stop. So we'll let that dry for a little bit. I'll show y'all the rest of the car. So I painted these. At the house. They came out pretty good. I know it's dark out here, guys, but daytime it's like 103, 104 degrees. So we'll let that dry a little bit. So, well, let me show y'all what y'all supposed to do. Get you a clean towel. This is a clean towel. And then you just go back over it. You just kind of getting the excess off. And then we'll do the clear. So y'all seen the before and after. So this is how it really looked before I started messing with it. And then we'll see if it looks any better, guys. Whew. I think that's pretty good. What y'all think? That's pretty good. I mean, it ain't perfect, but I think that's good. So we got all our excess off. Anything that was extra left. And now they recommend that you put the clear coat, fill and seal. They recommend that you use this and wrap this around it. So I'm gonna do it how they say do it. And then they say, where is it at? Wipe 2 layers wet, but not like dripping wet. Okay. And then allow 24 hours to cure. So I can't wash it for 24 hours, which we don't even drive this car. So all right, let me get this wrapped up because I only got one hand, and we'll get a little bit of product on there and we'll turn y'all back on. All right, be careful, guys, because it comes out pretty quick. You just wrap this around the foam piece and then put a couple of drops. So let's see right here. I might go grab another light so we can really see. Oh shoot, that looks way better. Okay, hold on, let's go grab another light, guys. That looks good. I hope it stays like that. Let me grab another light. Got another light. Yeah, that surprised the heck out of me. I'm not even lying. Where was I at though? So God Dang it. It's hard trying to do this with one hand. Oh yeah, that looks way better. And my tape is in the way. So we'll do 2 coats like this. Dang, that's a big difference, guys. That is a big difference. That's a big difference. Dang. Ah, I just scratched my roof. What the heck? God dang it. I guess it's something on my light. Alright, we'll put a little more. Oh, that's enough. Man, just scratch my roof. And then we'll do one more coat. That looks way better than it did, guys. I can tell you that much. Alright, we'll let that dry and then we'll apply the second coat.
Hours later.
I went for a second coat. It looks really, really good compared to this. So y'all see how dull that is? And then look over here. So, but let's see if it stays like that though. I mean, it could change. See how dull all this is? This is all dull. So dull, and then look at the real color. Dull, the real color. So dull, right there, look. That's shiny, and then look how dull that is right there, and then boom. So it looks good. It looks good right now, guys. So we'll see how it turns out. Appreciate y'all watching. Hey, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, guys. We do car content over here. I got a lot of cars over here on this channel that we do a lot of work on. I'm just messing around right now, charging the batteries on this one, getting ready to start this thing up. So, and then also we got the convertible in the shop. So we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.